One of the main advantages of Prospective is that you can connect to high-speed real-time data and analyze and visualize that data. Now, that's the same advantage with a service like NATS. With NATS, also you have a feature called Jetstream, which you can pull historical data as well as connecting to real-time data. And now with Prospective, our NATS connector is able to connect to a Jetstream and being able to pull historical data that's in that Jetstream, visualize that, but also continue the connection and continuously pull data that is being inserted to that Jetstream subjects. So what I'm showing here is a typical market simulation. So I'm tracking sales of thousands of stocks per second across different portfolios or traders, and I'm doing that by connecting to a NATS Jetstream. Let's see what's under the hood here. So here I have, here in VS Code, I have a Node.js, a small little JavaScript application that I've written that generates market simulation data. So what I have here, I connect to NATS via the NATS WebSocket. Then I generate these market data by different stocks and across different portfolios or traders. I have a function that generates that data for me as realistic as I can. And here in the main function, you can see that we connect to NATS via the WebSocket. We create a Jetstream with the name markets. We create a subject in that Jetstream, delete it if it exists, add a new one. Then we continue go into a timer loop, and we continuously generate data and then insert JSON records into that subject. And we generate thousands of rows per second. And then after some timeout, we're just going to quit this demo. We don't want to let it run all the way. So let's come here and look at that, how we can connect to this in Prospective. So here in Prospective dashboard, I can go to data sources and I can create create a new NATS IO data source. So here from the list, I go to NATS, and then I have the ability to connect to regular subjects or a Jetstream subjects. So here I'm going to choose the Jetstream. My WebSockets are already configured correctly. So this is running on a Docker image, on a NAS Docker image on my local machine. I give it the stream name, which is correct actually, markets. I can filter which subjects I want to subscribe to, but here I'm just going to leave it open. I'm inserting JSON rows and I'm naming this as markets. So let's connect to this table. And you can see that data is being pulled. Now I can group by ticker, for example. I can do all my analysis on top of this, and you can see that data is moving quite fast. I'm going to do the volume. Just take a look at volume. I'm going to split this by client, which is my traders. Now let's take a look at this as bar graph, so I can do the different chart types and I can visualize that data in real time. So quick recap, the NATS adapter allows you to connect to just regular good old subjects on NATS, or be able to connect to Jetstreams, and you can do that easily via Prospective dashboards.